So here are the earrings that I have done. Don't judge. I know they're not in perfect shape. Well, they won't be perfect because they're handmade, but this one is just too imperfect. Okay, so I noticed that they are too slim. Maybe I will make them thicker next time. So yeah, this one. And so I made a marble design. I followed their instructions, so you can do marble or polka dots, stripes, anything like that. So here, so I'm not too good of that yet, maybe more practice. So what I did, I bought a silicone molder in Amazon, so this one, and I made another design, which I really love the result compared to this one. So here they are. Yeah, I'm so in love with this one. The rose, so look at that. I made one pair, so this is the stud, this one earring that comes with the set. So that's what I'm using. So there, and then I made a small flower as well, and then there's a small rose stud, still for stud earring, and then this one, so I put a hole in there, so this is going to be another earring as well, but not stud. I'm going to use something else. And there. Yeah, he's so cute. I like the leaves as well. And then the butterfly there. This is the glittered one. I used the glitter that comes in the set. So I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, there's some glitters in it. And then sunflower. And then there's a small leaf as well. There. So cute. Yeah, so I like the silicone molder better actually than the cutter one. Maybe. Yeah. So that's it.